Question number 26. Find the mean for the following distribution. A table is given and here the classes are 5 to 15, 15 to 25, 25 to 35, 35 to 45. Frequencies are given 2, 4, 3, 1. First we will make the table for calculating the mean. Here we will write classes. Here we will be writing frequency. Classes are 5 to 15, 15 to 25, 25 to 35 and 35 to 45. And frequencies are 2, 4, 3 and 1. These are the frequencies given to us. Now in next table we will write the class marks. We know the class marks are sum of the lower limit and the upper limit of the classes upon 2. So 5 plus 15 is 20, 20 upon 2 is 10. So 10 will come here. Similarly here 15 plus 25 upon 2. So here it will be 20. Similarly here 30 and here 40. This will come in next column. Here we will write Fi. Here we have Xi. Now sum of Fi, that is sigma Fi, which we write N also, is 2 plus 4 is 6, 6 plus 3 is 9, 9 plus 1 is 10. Here we will be computing Fi Xi. 2 into 10 is 20. Here it will be 4 into 20, 80. Here it will be 3 into 30 is 90. And here it will be 1 into 40 is 40. Sigma Fi Xi will be equal to 100, 190 plus 40 is 230. Now we have the formula that X bar, that is mean, is equal to sigma Fi Xi upon sigma Fi. Put these values. This we can write above. That is sigma Fi Xi is 230. Now 230 is sigma Fi Xi. Sigma Fi is 10. 0 and 0 are cancelled. So the mean is 23. So the mean of the given distribution is 23. Now we will see the question in which we are to calculate the mode and given as or of this question. That is, either we are to do this question or that question. So we will see now that question. Question is, the following distribution shows the transport expenditure of 100 employees. Expenditure is given. These are the classes given to us. Number of employees. These are the frequencies given to us. Find the mode of the distribution. First we will find the modal class. Modal class is that class which has the maximum frequency. Clearly the maximum frequency is 25. So the modal class is 400 to 600. Now we have the formula that mode is equal to, we write the formula, mode is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 upon 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. This is our formula. Now F1 our is 25. So 25 is our F1 since it is the modal class. Now lower limit of the modal class, that is L is equal to 400. So L I write 400. F0 is the frequency which is prior to the modal class. So that is equal to 21. So F0 0 is equal to 21. Now F2 is equal to 19 and H is equal to 600 minus 400, that is 200. So H is equal to 200. Now we will put these values in the given formula. So mode is equal to 400 plus 25 minus F0 is 21 upon 2 into 25 minus 21 minus 19 into 200. We have to compute this. So its value is 400 plus this will be 4. Here it will be 50 minus, I am to subtract 21 plus 19 is 40. So it will be 10. So here I am writing 10 into 200. 0 and 0 are cancelled. This becomes 400 plus 4 into 20 is 80. So this is 480. So the mode of the given distribution is 480.